Hey guys, in this video, we'll be discussing Invoices Management for a student. The invoice feature allows the admin staff to create an invoice for a student, and it allows them to send this invoice to the parent so that they can make payment. So let's go to a student. Let's say we're dealing with Daniel Ali. If we click on his name and we're on his information page, we can go ahead and click on the Invoices tab. Once we click Invoices, we'd see a list of all invoices for Daniel. And to add a new invoice for Daniel, we just click on that button. We'd select a due date for the invoice. So by default, the system automatically calculates 1 month from now. So let's say that we're actually allowing Daniel 2 months from now to pay out his invoice. So let's say 24th of October. From here, we can go ahead and add what items Daniel has to pay for or his parents. So we can say term 3 registration, and we put in an amount. So let's say 45,000. Once we're finished, we click save, and it would add this item. If let's say we'd like to add another item, so summer payments as well, we put in an amount. So let's say 15,000, and we click save. Once we finish adding the various items, we can then go ahead and click save, and it would add an invoice for Daniel. We can see here that there is no payment, so it's pending payment, and the total that Daniel has to pay and when this payment is outstanding, when it's due. From here, we can go ahead and email this invoice to Daniel's parents. To do such, we just click on the invoice anywhere, and we're taken to the invoice page. And to email the invoice, we just click on the mail icon, and it would send an email to Daniel's parents based on the email that we stored for the student. We can also download this invoice. So if we click on the download button, it would download a PDF version of this invoice for us onto our computer. And lastly, if we click on the print icon, it will open up Google's Chrome print menu, and then we can select our printer and print to that printer. So that's how we go about adding invoices for a student.